Hi, I like to demonstrate the mobile enterprise application platform powered by Cloud Foundry, the Elastic Pass, and I'm going to give a walkthrough of how easily you can create the mobile apps using the Cloud IDE and manage and distribute the apps into the devices. What you are seeing here is a cloud management console and that enables us to create the apps using standard HTML, JavaScript and CSS. And here I have all the list of apps that I have already created, and for now I'm going to pick an existing app and I'm going to clone the app using one click of a button, and I'm going to name as MEAP-CloudFoundryDemo.mp4, and it creates a new app. And if you see the structure of the app, it has three sections. One is the client, which is the code that will be packaged as a native app and it will be deployed into the device. And it has a cloud section, which is the code that will be developed using Node.js that will be deployed into the Cloud Foundry. And we have a shared folder, which is the config.js, where we can share all the different information between the cloud and the client devices. So as you see, I'm going to just edit few of the things here and save. The save operation automatically deploys the code into the Cloud Foundry using VMC push. And now if I go back to my apps section, here if you see, I have the new app, which is cfdemo.4, and I can build a native app. And now I'm building the Android app by push of a button, and I'm building for the 2. Version of the Android OS. And when I say next, it automatically generates a new APK file. And now I'm going to start the Android emulator, where I'm going to install this app. And as you see here, I'm launching the emulator. And I'm going to save this file, the APK file, going to install the app, the one just now I created. So as you see, it successfully installs the app into the emulator. Now I'm going to launch the app. As you see, as you go to the app section in the emulator, you can see the app just now I installed. I'm launching the app, and it's a simple app. And when I click on the action call in this app, it makes a call to the Cloud Foundry and brings the response. So now I can just go back to my IDE, and if I go to editor, and if I just change some of those things into demo 4, and if I save, it automatically pushes the code using VMC push into the Cloud Foundry. And if I go back to my emulator, and it now makes a call, and if you see, there is welcome to Cloud Foundry Demo 4. So now I'm able to make changes in the back end without redeploying the code into the devices. So overall, I can just all the way from end to end, creating a simple app, deploying the app into the devices. Everything can be done in the Cloud IDE and use standard HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, but build and packaged as native apps. That way we can utilize all the capabilities of the native devices, and the backend is developed using Node.js, which is powered by Cloud Foundry, that enables us to scale